This is Darren Workman with Yost Farm Supply in St. Francis, Kansas. In a WR9980 with a C2100 console with Ag 3000 Autosteer. When we first get into the swather, you'll want to hit that button. That will turn on our Autosteer. It turns on our globe. And you'll notice down here on the display that we will have to wait for just a couple seconds. You know, it could take up to 30 seconds to a minute, all depends. Definitely get the latest software put in your monitor, and it definitely helps out with Autosteer startup. If you're running HP XP, it will help with convergence time. Just call us or call your AGCO dealer and we can schedule that in and get it updated for you. So when you first turn on your console, you're going to see, you know, your swather's going to fire up. It's going to give you the check mark. This is how you want your T-handle configured. Hit your check mark and you'll be good to go there. Over here on your task controller, while you're waiting for your Autosteer to start up, you can start your, you know, your grower information, stuff like that. So it's all up to you if you want to. So there's our Autosteer icon. So if we click on it, now it's loading. So we can actually go back to and doing other things if you want to do it. You know, here's if you want to edit anything as far as, you know, we're good here. This is our date. Check that. Go back into it. We can select our customer. Let's see here. Oh, it's not letting me do it. There we go. Name. So put in Yost Farm Supply. Oops. Clear. Yost Farm Supply. Hit the check mark. So that's our name. Then you go through and I don't know why it won't let me do it. I need to go through and set this up. New farm, same thing. Let's put Yost in there. Check mark. Check mark. Okay. Good. So now we're good. Check our task. Okay, so now we got it all set. We hit start. Now our task is running. So now it's green down here. So now we go into our Autosteer, hit our check mark, and everything over here on the right hand side, you have your wrench and wrenches to go through, set up a new way line. So if I click on that, and if I want to change way line, you can name your way line if you want to. Name it whatever you want to, you know, like pass 1, pass 2, pass 3 if you're making several different way lines. We'll just leave that alone. Hit the check mark. Yeah, it won't let me do it because I need to set it up. But anyway, then it'll give us 4 different deals as far as types. I think you got contour, circle, A+, and AB. You can click whichever one you want. We got A+ heading right now. It's where you can set up your header width here if you need to, change anything. Go down. Set up steering response, you know, however you want your line acquisition, anything from default. You can set that up there. Keep going down, you know, and that's the nice thing about this C2100 console is you can just keep going down through each one if you want to see which one it is. Here's where you do your calibration. Calibration compass, you know, go through the list of exactly what it says. Very simple to do. I'm just going to escape out of that because we already got that set. My I just have to click through it. Failed because we didn't do it, which is fine. Oh shoot. There we go. Escape. Now it's going to tell us that we need to do it because we went through and messed it up. But all you got to do is go through and do exactly what it says. It's very easy to do. Nothing to it. As far as system, you know, if you want to change anything on here, you know, you just go through. You don't really need to mess with any of this stuff, but it's there if you need to. Just set up a wayline here rather than going through the wrench. That's wayline, line acquisition. And if you want to change any of this stuff, the way it sets up, so like I like to put, you know, here I'm not going to use it, so if you hold it down, now it gives me a list of, you know, different icons that I can put in this area. And so, you know, if I wanted to put that one there, you know, you can change it to whatever you want to, which is a pretty nice feature. Oops. So I'll hold that down again. I don't know why it's not doing it. Go. And that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, my last video that I showed you guys, you know, everything about these over here, and that'll be it. I'm gonna go into more depth on the next video. So this is Yost Farm Supply, St. Francis, Kansas. Darren Workman, 785-332-3351.